This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ZoomInfo to Salesforce. This integration is crucial for sales and marketing teams looking to enhance their productivity and data accuracy. By linking these two powerful platforms, you can seamlessly access a vast database of business intelligence directly within your CRM. This helps streamline your workflows, ensuring your teams have the most current information at their fingertips for more effective engagement. Getting started is straightforward. First, log into your ZoomInfo account and find the Integrations tab in your settings. From there, select Salesforce and choose your preferred environment, either production for live data or sandbox for testing. You'll then authenticate the connection using your Salesforce credentials. For even deeper functionality, remember to install the ZoomInfo app directly from the Salesforce App Exchange. The integration offers significant benefits. You can enrich your Salesforce records with accurate, real-time company and contact data, ensuring your database is always current. This eliminates the need to switch between platforms, saving valuable time and boosting productivity for your sales and marketing teams. You'll also improve lead generation and targeting by leveraging over 200 data points, gaining a comprehensive 360-degree view of your customers for highly personalized outreach. To truly optimize your integration, configure the data flow directionality and carefully map ZoomInfo fields to their corresponding Salesforce fields. You can also customize export preferences, setting a maximum number of records, up to 100,000, that your team can export at once. For seamless access, integrate ZoomInfo Lightning components directly into your Salesforce record pages. Remember to regularly review and adjust these settings to ensure they continue to meet your business needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.